Hi, I'm Steve from the Stone Crafting Workshop. Welcome. I find I have a need for a stone cutting saw. Somebody who will cut small items of stone and marble, especially marble, and I no longer have the use of my big saw that I had before. So I've had this Evolution Stealth 255 saw. I've had it for about 10 years and it's done a lot of work. It's done sterling service on various contracts. But Evolution now do a diamond blade, a dry cut diamond blade for this saw. So I duly went out and bought one. And it's a continuous rim, is 255 in diameter, and it's a dry cut, which is a pity. I'd have preferred it if it was a wet cut, but beggars can't be choosers. So I'm now going to fit this blade to this saw, and then when I come back we're going to test the cutting ability of it on a whole range of materials, including marbles, which is my main interest. So join me in a minute and see how we get on. So that's the blade fitted. It's a surprisingly quick process to change the blade. There's just a spring clip under here and you take the lever off. There's like a lever that controls this, and move that around, get out of the way, take this off with an Allen key, slip it on. The first thing we're going to cut is a piece of pink sandstone, reasonably hard stone. So I'm going to wear a mask because it's dry cut, and I'm going to keep wearing my glasses as safety glasses. And I'm just going to run through various types of material and see how we get on. Well, that cut through that easily, and it's a really neat cut. So sandstone, no trouble at all, that's Indian sandstone. Let's try a stiffer test. This is a bit of 2-inch yellow York. It's one of the hardest types of York stone you can get, other than gritstone. Let's give that a go. That's really nice. Not the cleanest of cuts because I was rocking it backwards and forwards. Let's do a straight cut, straight the way through without the rocking. See if we get a cleaner cut. Very smooth, no trouble at all. Very clean cut. I'm actually really impressed with this so far. Let's try it on some other things. Let's try it on some marble. Marble's always a tough one. There's a piece of Botticino marble. That's a hard marble. Okay, that was interesting. If you look, the first half of the cut where I was just rolling it through, I've got a habit of doing that from using a clipper type saw, which has a different action, it actually runs the other way. And it's chipped it, but as I drop the blade all the way through the material and cut it, it's got a lovely clean cut on the top, reasonably so. let's try another bit of marble, different one. Oh, this one, nice bit of marble. Okay, you cut it easily, and it's actually cut it really clean, except for this last bit. It's taken the nib off the corner. Let's try something else. Oh, slate. Well, it's taken out easy, not pushing too hard, letting the diamond blade do the job, and it's actually cut that beautiful. Just really, really nice. Now, on the chat boards and what have you about these blades, there's quite a lot of comment about them not cutting ceramic tiles very well. So I've got a white ceramic tile. Let's see how it goes. Hey, I don't think that's bad at all. That's not a bad cut at all. Well, a bit of a chip when you first drop the blade in, but normally I would just take a bit of carborundum to that and just take the edge off anyway. I imagine most tilers do that. But that's okay. Okay, just taking it easy. I'm going to see if I can find some other things to cut. I've put this piece of slate on here as a throwaway backstop because I'm going to try and cut a really awkward little thing. It's a piece of onyx. That's better. It cuts the actual marble easily. I've just picked a bad example because it's got this natural crack running through it. But I shall persevere with that. But it works perfectly well, and it'll work on other bits of marble. So it only remains, I think, the last test, the acid test, which is a granite tile. Hardest thing you can cut. Let's have a go. That cut that easily and very cleanly. Amazingly easily, really. I thought that might have struggled on that. So there we are. What's our conclusion? Well, it cut the sandstone and the Yorkstone really, really easily, really well. I was very impressed by the way it just zipped through this Yorkstone. And that sandstone was hard. It easily cut the granite. And it also showed that you could cut a 12-inch tile on this, by the way, which is quite, 30 centimetre tile, which is quite a handy thing to know. It cut Welsh slate, absolutely cruised through the Welsh slate, no trouble at all, and that's 30mm thick. The ceramic tile was pretty good. I would use that. I think it's probably better than most ceramic tile cutters I've used. So I would use that quite happily. And the fact that you can also tilt this and get a 45-degree angle has some interesting connotations. The thing it struggled on were the marbles. Not desperately, just chipping. And I think with practice, I would get that cut much better. And also I picked a very bad bit of onyx to try, but I think if I just started to go through much slower and let the blade do its own thing, it would be fine. And in fact it was fine on this Botticino marble. So all in all, I'm actually really impressed. For a dry cut blade, I think it's amazing. So thanks for watching. Hope it's useful to you. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. I like those. And if you want to see more videos about stone crafting and marble crafting and what have you, please subscribe. But thank you for watching and have a nice day.